The direction in which oxygen, carbon dioxide, and bicarbonate ion move across the plasma membrane of RBC or erythrocyte depend on the location of RBC in the body. In the capillaries of the body tissues, where the concentration of oxygen is low and concentration of carbon dioxide is high relative to the concentration of these gases within the RBC, oxygen is released by the hemoglobin and diffuses outward to meet the tissue needs. Carbon dioxide diffuses inward. In the cytosol of the RBC, the carbon dioxide reacts with water in presence of cytosolic enzyme carbonic anhydrase to form a H plus ion or proton and a bicarbonate ion. The bicarbonate ion is transported outward by anion exchange protein accompanied by the inward movement of chloride ions to maintain charge balance. Carbon dioxide therefore returns to the lungs as bicarbonate ions in both blood plasma and cytosol of RBCs. Then the RBCs goes to the lungs for its own oxygenation. In the capillaries of the lungs, where the concentration of oxygen is high and concentration of carbon dioxide is low, the oxygen present in the blood plasma diffuses into the cytosol of the RBC through its plasma membrane and binds to the hemoglobin. The bicarbonate ion present in the blood plasma moves into the cytosol of the RBC through anion exchange protein. It is accompanied by an outward movement of chloride ions. In the cytosol, bicarbonate ion then reacts with a proton in presence of carbonic anhydrase to form water and carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide diffuses out of the RBCs. Then the RBC loaded with oxygen returns to the body tissues. Please like, subscribe and share.